Tell Mama a story. Tell me. Really? Mama's gonna... What's up? Huh? Are you being quiet? Why are you being so quiet? Huh? Mama's gonna... Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Really? No, we don't need Mommy's camera. What? You like to look at the cars that go by? You like to look at the cars? No. Say hello. Say hello. Really? No. No. You getting mad at Mommy for taking away your toy? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Get the camera? Yeah? How come whenever I say bye-bye you start talking? Huh? Okay, bye-bye. For real. Really? Do you not want to say bye-bye? You want to keep talking? Tell everyone how much you miss them and how much you want them to come visit you. Yeah. Say, come visit me. Oh, we found a window. Say, come visit me. I want to play with my aunties and uncles and grandma and grandpa. Yeah.